Hi, I have in front of me a Maglock kit. It's 12 volt DC for a single door and includes a keypad. So it's the second of the two Maglock kits that we're currently stocking. So everything you're getting is in front of you here on the table, and it's basically everything other than the cabling you'll need to actually fully install one. So let's look at the component parts. Probably the key part here is actually the power unit. We'll just have a quick look at that here. So I'm just going to slide that off there. I'll just open it up, and we can see here this just takes in the power unit and it steps it down to the 12 volt that you'd use with the Maglock itself. Okay, so we just have that. So that'll be mounted internally. We have the Maglock itself. It's made of two component parts. This is the actual piece of metal that goes in the door. This is given about a 300 kg force in terms of keeping it closed. What we have here then is the actual Maglock itself. So it's wired from above here. This little section here just strips down and you can hardwire it directly in then. You have just a standard exit that you'll be using internally here. Just press the button to exit the building, the door will open, and once it's released the thing. So you'd normally be wiring that directly into the keypad, which is really the intelligence of the operation. It's in here that we're setting the time delays, things like that. We also have an emergency override here thing. I'll just show you there. So it's just for opening the door in an emergency. Just lift this pad. The idea of lifting is just to prevent accidental hitting. If we press here, there's two little keys come with it. You'd normally hang one directly off it here, and you can just press it and reset it afterwards. Okay, so it's a pretty straightforward process. And then we have the keypad itself. So the keypad has two bases on the back of it. One allows you to mount it directly onto a box in the wall, we'll say, so a surface mount box, something like that. And the other one then, if you're just mounting it directly onto the wall directly itself, and the screws, etc., that you need will come with it. There's a little top part here you can pop off. You can just push it forward, and what happens then is you can just screw that directly on the front part of it. So this is a kit. We actually have a number of these. Before we start selling, we had a number of these for control reasons. We have this on a number of doors. So what you do obviously in a lot of buildings is at night time you want to have everything deadlocked, all the rest of it, and during the daytime what you want to do is you just want to have it. There's a simple keypad code. Somebody taps it in, it opens up, and when you're exiting, you just press the button from internally there. So it's a nice little kit. Two associated products that don't come with it that you probably may or may not need to buy. I'll go through each of them. This one you'll almost definitely need to buy. The reason it doesn't come with the kit is there's actually two types of brackets you could use. You could use this one here if the door is opening out, and there's a different version one that you'll buy if the door is opening in. This just allows you to put the Maglock onto the frame of the door. So that's a nice associated product with it. And another one that's there is a battery one. Most people don't go with this, but it just means that there's a power outage. What will happen is that you can continue to operate it and keep the Maglock in a locked position when the power is gone, okay? Other than when you're pressing the button on it. So it's a nice kit. It's available with free delivery, and everything that we're using in it here is the premium thing. So for instance, we're using the Act 5 thing here, and we're using our RGL power units. So nice kit, competitive price. It's part of a much wider range of door control, CCTV, etc. It's available directly from freetv.ie.